Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Sailing Prosperity. In this episode, Katrin is showing off her unique rope skills. Maybe there is something to learn from this too. And today's episode is full of magic cruising in the Swedish archipelago, fjords and channels, where we even had a bridge open for us so we could move forward. The reward for going through is magic as well, as we got to an anchor that is a hidden gem. We go hiking and make a fireplace on the beach. And later we will tell you more about the extra episode that we are making for you that will be released already this Sunday. Get ready for this and a lot more in this episode. Let's begin. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We are a family of 5 from Norway who absolutely love sailing around and embarking on new adventures. Here we have 12-year-old Selina, and this is 9-year-old Victoria. And the youngest one is Carolina, who is 3 years old. And we are Thomas and Katrin. On this channel we will share videos and provide more information about our daily lives and exciting life experiences of the Flinskos family. I am ready! Show us how it's done. Da knytt opp den knuten.
Du er så smart det.
Oh.
Smart ass.
Yeah, I know. It's my first time on sailboat, so I have all these crazy ideas. So we have been anchoring here outside the Ulön for a couple of days. It was very windy when we came in, but today it's actually 10 degrees and the sun is shining. So Selina doesn't even take on proper sail gear today.
It's so smart.
And we are free. Alright. And we are good to go. Just have to learn the skills. No? One more time. There are beaches all around this island, in this lagoon, and they are prepared with fireplaces. There are places to throw away the garbage. It's very well protected from the sea, but it's close to. Is playing around. She's trying to do the regular knot, but yeah. Come on, you can do it. I've seen you do it before. We even have company on this place. There's another sailboat. So, as I was saying, we have been passing through here a couple of times before, but it's so close to Kungshamn and Smögen, which is places we always go by to do shopping and have fun. So we are just passing by this place, but it's really nice. As you can see here, there is even a dock and fireplace, garbage bin, even outdoor toilets. Did you do it?
No.
You want to have it on camera? That looks wrong.
Oh, it's a lasso again.
I have faith in you. You can do it. I don't know the English combination for the knot she's trying to do. It's pole stick, pole knot. I do love the Norwegian coastline. But the Swedish coastline is also really nice. They have some specialties that I only seen in Sweden before. And we are now about to enter Sotekanalen, which I also believe is one of a kind. It is really special. It goes through these islands. In this canal it is not even allowed to sail because it's so narrow. And not too long from now we have to build a bridge so they can open the bridge for us because our mast is too high. And after the bridge there are also some spectacular scenery that I will show you.
Jeg har ikke tatt på meg sko. Selv om jeg ønsket at jeg hadde sånne her. Pappa ønsket at jeg hadde sånne i Bunny. Bunny, I will have it the Bunny.
Over there we have the bridge. There's a red light. That's not open for us. We're just a little bit too late, I guess. This boat has just passed through. And now the cars are getting over. And then they will open it for us. Now you can hear the signal. Means that the cars have to stop. Now you can see the bridge is opening slowly. People standing on the side to look at us passing through. This is special. The bridge is closing again. Wasn't that cool?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm scared.
What?
I'm scared too.
Are you scared? Was it a bit dangerous? Scary?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is to show us where we can drive the boat.
You got to try to sit on the...
Step?
Yeah, on the little step.
Papa!
So happy.
Is it fun?
Oppe på ankeret.
Did you sit on the anchor? That's crazy. You have to be careful. As you can see, some of the passages here are quite narrow. Strange to go by these places in Sweden that we have been visiting so many times before. It's actually like I feel partly Swedish because I spent so many summers in Sweden, and now that we are passing by familiar places, knowing that it will be a long time until we see them again, that's special. And also that we are in March still, so the season hasn't started yet, and normally when we are going in Sweden it is June, July, so it's completely packed with boats and people and warm weather and a lot of things going on everywhere. But now, as you can see, this is Kungshamn in Sweden, and well, there is still people around here. It's not like the Norwegian small villages where there's no people in the summer, no in the winter. But as you can see on the docks, there are not too many boats. There are some, but most of them are without any flags, which means they are there for winter docking. Normally it's not possible to get space here unless you are early in the day, and some of the boats already have left. And over here we have Smögen, which I believe is some of the most popular islands in the summertime. Now you have to pre-book to get a spot for docking. I can show you a drone footage from last year. I think it was last year we was there, and show you how busy it can get sometimes. Yeah, so we have a new captain on the boat. Yeah, that's cool. Are we going in the right direction? That's good. We all need more captains on the sea. Important job when you're on the boat. Then you have to turn a little bit this way. You're doing a great job.
Remember to weigh it. Yeah.
So it's kind of difficult for Victoria to see, a little bit much on the deck. So we have solved that with some special shoes and Carolina's little step. That works great. Are you catching any fish? No fish?
No.
How long have you been fishing?
5 minutes.
There's still no fish, okay. A bit more
This is not my strong suit.
A bit more patience. There will be rain tonight, but I think we will find a very nice place to anchor. It's not too far from here, so we are trying to catch some fish before we put out the anchor. And as you could see from my last video, I'm very optimistic. Look at this magical place. Rocks all around us. We are heading over to the beach. There's a buoy, two buoys actually waiting for us. No fish so far. The gooses are wishing us welcome. Yeah, can it be better than this? No, seriously, it's 10 degrees at least outside. Magic.
Summertime.
And today is Easter.
Yeah, it feels like summer today.
Yeah, it feels like summer. It is so warm, it's 10 degrees. Fishing, filming and navigating. That's all I can do right now.
Jeg har en plan. Jeg fikk en idé. Det var plutselig god idé.
Bright idea.
Yes. Å ja.
No fish on.
That's a special fish.
That's a special fish. So we are making an extra episode for you that will come out already this Sunday about our exploration on this island, the epic Easter hunt. Who knows what we will find? And our magic moment when making a fireplace on the beach just before as the rain hits us. So we are looking forward to see you in a couple of days. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.